Hi, I'm Robin Rothenberg, author of Restoring Prana. My breath tip for the week is slow, light, subtle breathing, reduced breathing. So bring your hands onto your body, one hand low on your rib cage and one hand low on your belly. As you are exhaling, gently draw the belly in. As you're inhaling, gently relax the belly out. So creating, as the first step, a slow, steady abdominal diaphragmatic breath, keeping the chest passive, neck, jaw, throat relaxed. That's step one. Step two is to take your finger and place it under your nose and notice the felt sense of the air brushing along your finger. Can you make it lighter? Can you make it less? Can you make it so light you can barely perceive the breath exiting the body? And then can you sustain that lighter breath as you return your hand to your body, keeping the breath low and slow and the volume light? Just the lightest touch of breath in through the nose, lightest touch of breath out through the nose. Slow, low, subtle breathing. You want to take the breath to the lightest possible place where you can still feel relaxed within the breath, and yet it feels a little less than what you're used to, a little less than what perhaps would be most comfortable. Sometimes we talk about the subtle breathing in terms of portion control, like it's a little less than your most satisfying breath meal. And you might be asking yourself, why would I want to breathe like this? Well, when we're in a deep state of meditation, this is how we breathe. When we're in a state of calm and relaxation, our breath is light, low and slow, and steady. When we breathe this way, even though it might feel challenging, a little edgy to keep the breath light, check every once in a while that it's just below your most satisfying level. When we breathe like this, our nervous system says, must not be a problem. The breath is light, the breath is low. Must mean that everything's okay. When the mind says that, nervous system says that, the whole body downshifts. So we can actually change our mind, change the way our nervous system is activated, and put ourselves into the rest and digest, relaxation response simply by breathing as if we're meditating, breathing as if we're calm, breathing as if everything's okay. Sometimes people like to add a little bit of light rock to this low, slow, subtle breath. It adds another calming element, just like we'd rock a baby, right? Slow, low, downshifting, not doing big, gaspy breaths. Slow, low, subtle, and light. In and out, out and in. Sustaining that subtle breath for 4 minutes, 5 minutes at a time, to remind yourself how to reset. Remind yourself that you have the option, you have the choice. You don't have to be frazzled. You don't have to live in a stressed state. Right now, in this moment, less. Bring it down, lighten it up, and calm yourself. Thank you. Namaste.